Hi kids! Let's swing into fun and learn all about monkeys, the clever, playful animals who love bananas. Ooh, let's go! Monkey facts. Monkeys are very smart and curious. They live in groups called troops. There are over 260 kinds of monkeys in the world. Some monkeys can swim. Monkeys communicate with sounds, faces, and body movements. Baby monkeys ride on their mom's back or belly. Some monkeys have thumbs, just like humans. Monkeys are primates, like apes and humans. Where monkeys live, rainforests, mountains, savannas, trees, jungles, countries like India, Brazil, Thailand, Indonesia, Congo. What monkeys eat: bananas, mangoes, leaves, bugs, flowers, eggs, tree bark, sometimes small animals. Monkey actions: swing, climb, jump, scratch, pick fleas, groom each other, eat with hands raised hand, hang upside down face. Musical notes: monkey sounds, ooh, ah. Loud howls, from howler monkeys, chattering and squeaking, teeth chattering to show excitement. Types of monkeys, with fun nicknames: Capuchin, the clever one; Howler, the loud yeller; spider monkey, the long-armed acrobat; baboon, the big-faced buddy; macaque, the chill monkey; golden snub-nosed monkey, the fluffy face. Monkey body parts: long tail, for balance or swinging, gripping hands and feet; sharp eyes for spotting fruit; big ears to hear jungle sounds; expressive faces for showing emotions. Fun monkey things: monkey bars at the playground, stuffed monkey toys teddy bear; monkey masks grinning face with smiling eyes; monkey dance game man dancing; banana counting game banana. Monkey quiz ideas. Question: do monkeys live in the ocean? No. Question: what fruit do monkeys love? Banana. Question: what is a monkey group called? Troop. Question: can monkeys talk like humans? No, but they use sounds and faces.